If your laptop is overheating when charging, this guide will help you fix it. So let's get started with some steps that you can take. First, you need to adjust your software settings. Find the power mode. If you have the battery icon right over here, click on it. You can also search for it on your search bar. Click on additional power settings option and there set it to balanced and not best performance or high performance. After that, you can also try reducing the CPU usage. Open Task Manager by typing Task Manager or right-clicking on the Windows icon. Click on Task Manager to open it. Expand the window. And here end any unnecessary applications by right-clicking on it and then select End Task. High CPU usage can cause overheating. Also, don't forget to optimize the power options. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. A run command will open. And here type in Control. Go to Power option. Click on Change Plan Settings. And here on battery, set it to 80% and then set plugged in to 85 to 90% under maximum processor state. Click on Apply to save the changes and this can help reduce temperature while charging. Also disable fast charging. You can typically do this through your BIOS settings and also check your battery health. Look for battery health information within your device settings and update your drivers. Go to Device Manager. Simply search for Device Manager in the search bar. Click on Drivers and update them. These steps offer some of the safest ways to control the laptop overheating while charging. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.